Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Bellissimo knot. This is the Italian phrase for very beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Got two ties for this. We're going to come over here. We're going to put in a fold of any kind. Bring both of them across. Bring them up and over, and then we're going to bring both over here like this. Then we're going to separate them. One on the left, one on the right. And I have a skinny tie at the very top, have a fatter tie at the bottom. I think that's a better look. So I'm going to bring both of them around like this, and then across like this, and then they're going to go down, and then around like this, and then then we'll just tighten them up a bit. But you have that kind of going up with the patterns. So I'm going to put the skinny tie over there. I'm going to fold it like this, kind of create that triangle, and then come underneath here like this. Alright, we're going to bring that over. So then we're going to have this one. I'm going to fold it up like that on the other side, and then I'm going to put that kind of a triangle like this. Because this is what we have so far. So far so good, but I want to put in some Simmons Essential flair. Let's put in a wreath. Bring it around like this, and it's going to fold it in half. Sometimes the tie will just naturally do that. Then I'm going to do another wreath over here. Then I'm going to do a wreath down and then around like this. Then I'm going to open this up. It being a wreath, it probably already will be kind of open already. Then I'm going to fold this in half like this. Then I'm going to put this kind of up and over like that, kind of add a little something to it. And then I'm going to kind of do something similar over here. Fold this in half, bring it through the wreath over here, and then do the same thing over there. So then we have that. Bring the collar down. Don't want my button showing. There you have the Bellissimo. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials so you can see the picture for this knot. Peace and God bless.